The correct answer is C, a front-end framework. What does ing stand for? The correct answer is B, Angular. What is a component? The correct answer is C, a UI building block. What is data binding? The correct answer is B, syncing data and UI. What is interpolation? The correct answer is A, syntax. What is a directive? The correct answer is C, extends HTML. What is asterisk for used for? The correct answer is B, looping over lists. What is asterisking if used for? The correct answer is C, conditional rendering. What is a service? The correct answer is B, reusable business logic. What is dependency injection? The correct answer is B, injecting dependencies.